Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing world of economic systems, specifically focusing on capitalism and socialism. Capitalism is an economic model where private individuals or businesses own and control property and resources, with the goal of generating profit. In contrast, socialism advocates for collective or governmental ownership of the means of production, aiming to distribute wealth more evenly across society. Understanding these two systems is crucial, as they shape our economies, influence government policies, and affect our daily lives. The purpose of this video is to explore the advantages of capitalism, shedding light on why many argue it fosters innovation, economic growth, and individual freedom. Viewers will learn how capitalism encourages competition, leading to better products and services, and how it empowers individuals to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. We will also discuss how capitalism can drive technological advancements and create job opportunities, ultimately contributing to a higher standard of living. In a world where economic debates are more relevant than ever, grasping the nuances of capitalism and socialism is essential. As we navigate through global challenges, understanding these systems can help us make informed decisions about policies and practices that impact our lives. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about economics, this video will provide valuable insights into the advantages of capitalism and its role in shaping our future. Now let's get into the video. Capitalism is built on several fundamental principles that distinguish it from other economic systems. At its core, capitalism promotes private ownership, allowing individuals and businesses to own and control property and resources. This ownership is crucial because it incentivizes people to invest, innovate, and manage their assets effectively. In a capitalist economy, free markets play a vital role, as they enable the voluntary exchange of goods and services without excessive government intervention. This market-driven approach encourages efficiency and responsiveness to consumer needs. Competition is another cornerstone of capitalism. When multiple businesses vie for the same customers, it drives them to improve their products and services continually. This competitive environment fosters innovation, as companies seek to differentiate themselves and capture market share. As a result, consumers benefit from a wider variety of choices and better quality products, all while prices tend to decrease due to the competitive pressure. Moreover, capitalism emphasizes economic freedom, allowing individuals to make their own choices regarding employment, investment, and consumption. This freedom empowers consumers to select products that best meet their needs and preferences, leading to a more dynamic and responsive economy. In summary, the principles of private ownership, free markets, competition, and consumer choice not only define capitalism, but also contribute to its effectiveness in driving economic growth and improving living standards. Now let's move to socialism, which seems to be making a resurgence in today's modern culture. Socialism is an economic system characterized by collective ownership and government control of the means of production. In a socialist framework, resources and industries are owned and managed by the community or the state, rather than by private individuals. This collective ownership aims to ensure that the benefits of production are shared among all members of society, rather than concentrated in the hands of a few. By centralizing control, socialism seeks to create a more equitable distribution of wealth and resources. One of the primary goals of socialism is to reduce inequality through wealth redistribution. This is often achieved through progressive taxation, social welfare programs, and public services that aim to provide a safety net for the less fortunate. By addressing disparities in income and access to resources, socialism strives to create a more just society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. However, socialism is not without its drawbacks. One significant concern is that the lack of competition and profit motive can lead to reduced incentives for productivity and innovation. When individuals and businesses do not directly benefit from their efforts, there may be less motivation to work hard or improve efficiency. This can result in slower economic growth and a lack of responsiveness to consumer needs. In summary, while socialism aims to promote equality and collective well-being, it also faces challenges that can impact productivity and economic dynamism. Price concerns also rise when there is a lack of competitors, because the few businesses in place have no incentive to offer a fair price for goods. Now let's focus our attention on the economic growth and innovation. Capitalism is often credited with fostering significant economic growth and innovation, creating environments where businesses can thrive and evolve. Successful capitalist economies, such as the United States and Germany, have demonstrated impressive growth rates over the years. For instance, the U.S. economy has consistently shown resilience and expansion, with GDP growth averaging around 2 to 3% annually in recent decades. Germany, known for its robust manufacturing sector, has also experienced steady growth, showcasing how capitalist principles can lead to economic prosperity. One of the key drivers of this growth is competition. In a capitalist system, businesses compete for customers, which incentivizes them to innovate and improve their products and services continually. This competition leads to technological advancements, as companies invest in research and development to gain an edge over their rivals. For example, the tech industry has seen rapid advancements due to fierce competition among companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft, resulting in groundbreaking innovations that have transformed how we live and work. Moreover, there is a strong correlation between capitalism and higher living standards. As economies grow and businesses flourish, job opportunities increase, leading to higher wages and improved quality of life for individuals. Capitalism encourages investment in education and skills development, further enhancing the workforce's capabilities. Ultimately, the dynamic interplay of competition, innovation, and economic growth in capitalist systems contributes to rising living standards, making it a compelling model for many nations around the world. Reasons to support capitalism. Individual freedom is a cornerstone of capitalism, allowing people to pursue their interests and aspirations without undue restrictions. In a capitalist economy, individuals have the autonomy to choose their careers, start businesses, and invest in ventures that align with their passions. This freedom not only fosters personal fulfillment, but also drives economic growth, as motivated individuals contribute their talents and creativity to the marketplace. Consumer choice is another vital aspect of capitalism. In a competitive market, consumers have the power to select from a diverse array of products and services, tailoring their purchases to meet their specific needs and preferences. This variety encourages businesses to innovate and improve their offerings, ensuring that consumers benefit from better quality and lower prices. The ability to make informed choices empowers individuals and enhances their overall satisfaction in the marketplace. In contrast, socialism often imposes limitations on personal freedom. With collective ownership and government control of resources, individuals may find their choices restricted as the state determines production and distribution. This can lead to a lack of variety in goods and services, diminishing consumer choice and stifling innovation. Additionally, the emphasis on equality in socialism can sometimes come at the expense of individual ambition and entrepreneurship, as the incentives to excel may be diminished. Critiques of socialism. Socialism has always faced numerous critiques, particularly regarding its effectiveness in promoting economic prosperity and individual well-being. Historical examples provide insight into these criticisms. Countries like the Soviet Union and Venezuela have experienced significant challenges under socialist regimes. The Soviet Union, despite initial successes, ultimately faced economic stagnation and collapse due to central planning inefficiencies. Similarly, Venezuela's attempt to implement socialism led to hyperinflation, food shortages, and widespread poverty, illustrating the potential pitfalls of this economic model. One of the primary issues associated with socialism is bureaucratic inefficiency. In a system where the government controls production and distribution, decision-making can become slow and cumbersome. This bureaucracy often results in misallocation of resources, as central planners may lack the local knowledge necessary to meet the diverse needs of the population. Additionally, the lack of competition can lead to complacency among state-run enterprises, further exacerbating inefficiencies. Another significant critique is the lack of motivation for individuals to excel. In a socialist system, where rewards are often distributed more equally regardless of effort or innovation, there may be little incentive for individuals to work harder or pursue entrepreneurial ventures. This can stifle creativity and hinder economic growth. These critiques support the case for capitalism, which emphasizes competition, individual initiative, and market-driven solutions. By allowing individuals the freedom to pursue their interests and rewarding innovation, capitalism often leads to more dynamic economies and improved living standards, highlighting the potential shortcomings of socialist systems. Let's now highlight a few real-world examples to really drive home these points. Capitalism has demonstrated its effectiveness through numerous real-world examples, particularly in countries like the United States. The U.S. economy, often regarded as a hallmark of capitalist success, has achieved remarkable economic growth and innovation over the past century. With a GDP that consistently ranks among the highest in the world, the United States has fostered an environment where entrepreneurship flourishes, leading to the creation of millions of jobs and a high standard of living for many of its citizens. Successful companies also exemplify the benefits of capitalism. Tech giants like Apple, Google, and Amazon have thrived in a capitalist environment, driving technological advancements and transforming industries. For instance, Apple revolutionized personal technology with its innovative products, creating a loyal customer base and generating substantial profits. Similarly, Amazon has reshaped retail through its focus on customer service and efficiency, becoming a leader in e-commerce and logistics. These companies not only contribute significantly to the economy, but also create jobs and stimulate further innovation. These examples illustrate how capitalism encourages competition, leading to better products and services while fostering an entrepreneurial spirit. The ability for individuals and businesses to pursue their interests freely results in a dynamic economy that adapts to changing consumer needs. Ultimately, the successes of the United States and its leading companies highlight the advantages of capitalism, showcasing its potential to drive economic growth, innovation, and improved living standards for society as a whole. In this video, we've explored the fundamental differences between capitalism and socialism, highlighting the advantages of capitalism as an economic system. We discussed how capitalism promotes individual freedom and choice, allowing people to pursue their interests and innovate without excessive government interference. Understanding these economic systems is crucial for forming informed opinions about the policies that shape our world today. As we navigate complex global challenges, recognizing the strengths and weaknesses of capitalism and socialism can empower us to engage in meaningful discussions about our future. That will wrap up this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos related to business, personal finance, and much more. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community of informed viewers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.